Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to activate your ABN AMRO debit card. First, make sure you have all the documents you receive from the bank. This usually includes your debit card, a letter with a 12-digit activation code, and a letter with your PIN code. Keep these items nearby before you begin. There are a few different ways to activate your debit card. The first method is by telephone. From inside the Netherlands, call at this number. If you are outside of the Netherlands, call on this one. When the phone menu asks, enter the last 9 digits of your bank account number. Then enter the 3 digits from your card number. Next, type the 12-digit activation code exactly as it appears in your letter. Once you enter these details, your card will be activated and ready to use. The second method to activate your card is by simply using it for the first time. Go to any ATM that accepts your card, such as an ABN AMRO ATM or another machine that supports Maestro or MasterCard. Insert your debit card and enter your PIN code when prompted. This action registers the card with the bank and activates it for all future transactions. Thanks for watching.